Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. In our today's video, we are going to just take up with some of the root words. So basically, these root words will help you to enhance your vocabulary. They will help you to analyze the meaning of any word. And if you remember these root words, they would be very helpful to you. Also, in our today's video, we are going to discuss only 5 root words because I want to keep this video crisp and very small. Okay, so basically these root words behave like prefix or suffix, but the difference is that they can be used in the they can also be used in the front, in they can be also used in the last of the word, or they can also be used in middle of the word. Okay, so firstly let's get started with the root words. So the first root word which we are going to take is fin. So basically the word fin, which we are taking as the root word, means limit or boundary. So here we have made an example to just make you more understand. Basically we have taken example confine, which means restricted. As you can see the word here, we have used the root word fin, which means limit or boundary. And here the word confine, in this word confine you can see the root word fin, and its meaning is also related to the meaning of the root word, which is limit or boundary. And here we have written it, you can say that restricted is a synonym of limit or boundary. Okay, so this is the way how they help us. So the next example which we are going to take in this root word is infinite. You can see here I have written no limit. Okay, basically, so in fight here I have written no limit. So you can see here we get a word fin. Okay, here we get a word fin, which means limit or boundary. So we just understood that here the meaning of the word is somehow related to limit. So here the word we got limit, and in the front of the root word it's used in, which can be opposite to the word, like we can say can be opposite to the word finite and infinite. Okay, so no limit, the thing which is having no limit is called infinite. We can analyze the meaning of any word with the help of these root words. Okay, so now let's move towards another root word. Okay, so the next root word which we are going to take is mal. Basically, mal means evil or bad. Okay, so this is also a root word. Here we have taken an example, malfunctioning. Malfunctioning means bad performance or bad work. As you can see, it's similar to the meaning of the root word mal. So malfunctioning means function means performance, and mal means bad. So you can analyze the meaning bad performance or bad work. Okay, so now the next week is malefied. So basically what does malefied means? Doing something bad to deceive something. Basically the word mal is a root word which we read here, means bad or evil. So here mal is also related to something bad, okay, or evil. And here fight basically means faith, belief. Okay, and as the meaning you can see doing something bad to deceive something, कुछ ऐसा करना किसी और को धोखा देना, ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा करना जिससे आप किसी और को धोखा दे दो। तो यहाँ पे अपोजिट ये वो कर रहा है मैलेफाइड, क्योंकि बैड है मतलब सॉरी। तो बेसिकली फाइट का मतलब तो होता है फेथ बिलीफ, लेकिन मैल इसके साथ जुड़ा है जो कि इस वर्ड को नेगेटिव बना रहा है, तो किसी को धोखा देना। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वर्ड विच वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इज थीस। Okay, so the word theist is related to God. The word theist basically means related to God. Okay, and this is also a root word. Here we have taken an example, atheist. Basically a theist, someone who believes in God. As we read that theist is something related to God, as we have used the root word in this word atheist. So it is also related to God, someone who believes in God. Okay, so hope this is clear to you, this word. Okay, now we have next word which is monotheist. Okay, monotheist, one who believes in only one God. So monotheist here Here theist means related to God. Okay, so here the meaning of this word monotheist is one who believes in God, only in one God. So something is related towards God, as we have used the root word theist here. Okay, let's move forward. So the next word, basically root word which we have taken, is bean. So basically what does, so what does basically bean means? Bean means good, or we can say nice, good. Okay, so basically we have taken a word benevolent, and the meaning of word benevolent is one who does good to others, as the root word is used here, bean. Okay, bean means doing good. Okay, so in the same way, one who does good, bean. Okay, we have used the root word also here, root word. Next word is beneficial. Basically this word is also good, bean, also conveying a positive meaning. Bean means good. Okay, so something resulting positive. Okay, something resulting positive is beneficial. Something resulting good, you can say resulting in good or favorable. Okay, hope this is clear. Moving forward to the fifth and our last root word, which is port. And it's a very, what we can say, very common root word. You may have heard about this word, and you may have now, you can analyze it yourself, that what is the meaning of this root word and what these examples are conveying. But I would like to tell you. Okay, okay, so the now this word is port. P-O-R-T. Word means port. The meaning of this root word is to carry. So here we have taken the example. Our first example is import, which is also something related towards carry, as we have used the root word port. So it means to carry goods or switch into a country. Okay, and the next example is portable. Here again the port means carry, because here we have used the root word, and this word also conveys something towards something to carry. They can be carried or transferred. Something that can be carried or transferred is called portable. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope this video was joyful and helpful to you all. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Enjoy. Thank you.